Hi guys, now I'm doing a Midolene review. Midolene is a natural dietary supplement designed to help people lose weight and feel more energetic. It has ingredients that promote mitochondria, which are tiny parts of our cells that turn food into energy and helps burn fat more easily. Since Midolene is a new product, I searched online for real customer testaments and reviews that do not try to sell Midolene, but I did not see one. So I just focused on getting real customer reviews and testaments of each ingredient of Midolene from established online stores to get a measure if the product can actually work in a positive way for the customer. So Midolene contains natural ingredients such as maqui berry. One customer says, highly recommended. I feel more energy on the days I make a smoothie using this fruit powder. Another customer says, your product have truly made a positive difference in my health and well-being. Another ingredient is rhodiola. Customer says, I noticed a difference in my mood. I'm more patient and helped me lose stubborn weight from the stress. Another ingredient is hematococcus. One customer says, taking this has me in a constantly great mood, full of energy, lowered food cravings, and has literally doubled my endurance working out. Plus, never getting sore muscles the next day is worth it alone. Next is Amla. Customer says it helps me out with not getting a cold and with my allergies and sinuses. Another ingredient is Theobroma cacao. Customer says received in great shape and as promised on the timeline. Schisandra. The last ingredient, one customer says it reduces strength and anxiety while improving mood, motivation, and energy. Now, there are scientific study sources from this. It came from pubmed.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov 313-74571. The conclusion states that people with persistently low body weight have increased mitochondrial function in their adipose tissue, which helps them maintain their lower weight. And the next is still pubmed.gov/259-72572. The researchers concluded that having healthy mitochondria is important for keeping a healthy weight and preventing diseases. The title is Impaired Mitochondrial Biogenesis in Adipose Tissue in Acquired Obesity. Now, what are the Midolene benefits? One is enhanced calorie burning. By improving mitochondrial function, Midolene helps the body burn more calories. Increased energy levels. Users report feeling more energetic throughout the day. Improved metabolism. Midolene supports a faster metabolism, aiding in weight loss. Digestive support. Ingredients like amla promote healthy digestion. Stress reduction. Rhodiola and schisandra help reduce stress and improve mood. What are the potential side effects? No significant side effects reported in reviews. Some customers report mild belly discomfort. As with any supplement, individual reactions may vary. The pros are Midolene uses natural ingredients. It's non-addictive, non-GMO, and generally positive reviews. What are the cons? It may take consistent use to see results. The price can be high for some without discounts. Now, safety and quality. Is Midolene safe? Midolene is made in the USA in facilities that follow strict quality guidelines. It is produced in an FDA-registered facility and is GMP certified, ensuring it meets high safety and quality standards. The supplement contains natural, non-GMO and pricing and availability. Midolene is available for purchase online. The pricing is one bottle is $59, 3 bottles is $147, and it includes 2 free bonuses. 6 bottles, that's gonna be $234. It includes 2 free bonuses and free US shipping. The company offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, allowing customers to try Midolene risk-free. Conclusion. Midolene is a natural supplement that supports weight loss by enhancing the body's ability to burn fat and increase energy levels. Remember to always ask advice from your doctor before getting any supplements. This is not a medical advice. Cheers!